Want to give your enterprise AI agents superpowers? Here's how Sema4.ai agent platform combined with Docker's MCP gateway creates the most powerful enterprise agent development experience available. This partnership changes everything for enterprise agent development. Sema4.ai lets business users build sophisticated agents using plain English runbooks. No coding is required. Docker's MCP gateway adds instant access to hundreds of curated enterprise-ready tools. The result? Agents that can connect to Stripe, Box, Shopify, Slack, and many more platforms with zero configuration. Write your business logic in natural language, then tap into Docker's entire ecosystem of containerized tools, all with enterprise-grade security built in. Let me show you with a really quick example. I'll build a travel planning agent that helps our field team find accommodations for client visits. I have both Docker Desktop and Sema4.ai Studio installed, and I have already started building my agent. It has a runbook that simply describes the steps I want my agent to take. In this case, looking for a specific type of events in my calendar, and then looking for Airbnbs matching the defined criteria. I also have already added Google Calendar tools from Sema4.ai's gallery and connected with my own Google account. Next, I will need the agent to be able to access Airbnb listings, and this is where Docker MCP Toolkit comes to play. You'll see I currently have no MCP servers configured. I will browse the catalog of hundreds of servers for Airbnb and just add it with one click. That being done, I jump back to Sema4.ai Studio and edit my agent and add an action. The first option on my list is Docker MCP Toolkit. I simply add it and save my changes to my agent, and I immediately see that Docker MCP Toolkit is available for my agent, 2 tools available, one for Airbnb listings and one for search. Once I reconnect with Google, my agent is ready to go. We can test it with an input like, help me sort out this week of travel. First, the agent gets to work with Google and then with Airbnb. In the end, I have a couple of options to choose from. This is the power of combining Sema4.ai's business user-friendly agent platform with Docker's proven container ecosystem. Every tool follows the same security pattern, every integration works the same way, and as Docker's ecosystem grows, your agents automatically get more capabilities. Sema4.ai plus Docker, enterprise agent development that's both powerful and simple. Here's how you can get started today. Download Sema4.ai Studio from our website and visit our documentation to learn more about connecting Studio with Docker MCP Toolkit. Want to see how easy it is to get MCP servers up and running? Try the Docker MCP Toolkit right inside Docker Desktop. Curious about using MCP Gateway to power your agent platform? Check out the Docker MCP GitHub repo. Link is in the description.